Oh. Yo, what's up? I'm Found, and this is my hand hop tutorial. Before you learn the hand hop, you should have a good handstand and a one-arm freeze. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of 2020, and it helps so much. Thank you. Okay, once you've got the handstand, it's time for the hand hop. Step 1, handstand hop. In a handstand, bring your legs in a squat position and kick straight up. As you kick, take your hands off the ground, and as you come back to the ground, bring your legs back to a squat position. When you're doing this, use your thighs, not your lower legs. Step 2, do a handstand hop and place your right hand in the center. Step 3, handstand hop to one-arm freeze. Just like step 2, do a handstand hop and place your right hand in the center. But this time, as you hop, take your left hand off the ground. When you do this, don't open your left arm and don't look to the side. That'll open your body and you'll fall over. Step 4, handstand hop to one hand freeze, back to handstand. Learning this combination will teach you how to push off one hand and also give you the awareness of how to catch yourself in case you start to fall. Step 5, hand hop time. Just like the one hand freeze to handstand, do the handstand hop, land in a one arm freeze, kick back up, and then come back to a one hand freeze. And that is the hand hop, but you're not done yet. Make goals like 2, 3, 5, 10, and so on. When you first learn, you'll probably have to kick very hard and very fast as you don't have the proper balance or control. But that's okay. As you get better, try slowing things down and use your hand and legs to control. And eventually, as you get better, you won't need to kick your legs very hard, and the most important thing will be the timing and the rhythm. So, remember this pattern. From your one hand freeze, kick your legs and take your hand off the ground. As you come back, bring your legs to a squat position. The very last thing is to learn how to get into a hand hop with only one hand. From standing, place your hand on the ground, bring your legs to a squat position, and kick up. It's very important you bring your legs to a squat position before you kick. If you don't, it'll look like this. Oh. And that's it. That is the hand hop. As always, thank you so much for watching. I would super appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, and turn on the alarm. It truly helps a lot. Peace!